Alright, so in this video I'm going to talk very basic about Vim. Three things: quick fix window, local list window, and some sort of commanding operation on those particular window with, you can say, CDO. I'll show you what does that mean, that abbreviation means. Okay, so basically three things. Okay, so these are pretty normal stuff, nothing should be surprising. Okay, to give you some sort of understanding, let me go to my terminal, and for some reason I want to open some specific file. Hyphen capital O means it will help to open the file side by side. I'm just arbitrarily opening two files side by side in a two buffer. So let me get rid of this highlighting. Okay, so I have two buffer with two different file. Okay, quick fix windows are global. That means as many buffer, as many file you have opened, the quick fix window will be single. Whenever you search something, all the accumulated result will bring down to that quick fix window, and it will be a single most one. There will be no quick fix window, second quick fix window. The quick fix window is global. That means it has got a single entity. Clear? So I have got two buffer. Now if I want to arbitrarily search something, okay, which might be present both the files, in my case I'm making things easy just to show you in two files or two buffer. In your case it could be several others, but the operation will be same. A quick fix window is a global window. That means it has got a single entity and it has got only solitarily available across the buffer. Okay, so I have a shortcut to call Vim grep like everyone else. Leader G, look at the bottom of the screen. My cursor is placed in between the forward slashes where I have to put the word what I'm trying to search between these two buffer, so it can pop up a quick fix window full of result. For some reason I couldn't find anything better, so a few takes, just write an arbitrary word in between those search delimiters. Okay, so it will going to, you already see that the result is highlighted portion of it. Okay, if I press enter right now, see, bang, there is a quick fix window. It populate with the result, okay, of both the buffers, and this is a global window. So if you open other buffer too and search it, all the search will be accumulated in this quick fix window. You can see the right leftmost buffer where my cursor is moving, that is the quick fix window. Okay, and it search both the buffers. Okay, now if I want to operate on something on this particular quick fix window, what you will have, there are several ways you can do. If I press colon and write CDO, change to, basically. So if I wanted to change something in the quick fix window across the buffer, okay, across the buffer, quick fix window accumulated all the buffers result in one place. So if I want to change something across files or across buffer, CDO is basically changed to, say, if I say few text to bar for I don't know, for no reason. Okay, So if I do that, it will change all the few text to bar in this quick fix window. Okay, so it changed, but it doesn't write it to the underlying disk until you put a bar and the word update. If you run the commands like this, your changes, I'm just showing you a simple example. CDO is basically changed to, it will change the stuff in the quick fix window as you like. The command here, I'm substituting a few text to bar. It could be anything else. Okay, but if you run that, it will change the quick fix window results, but it is not going to be right into the file on the disk. To get the changes permanently affected on those searched buffer, you have to write pipe and then update. If you do only that, then only these changes will going to be reflected on the underlying file which resides on your disk. Am I clear? Okay, so you can see the result. There is a substitution. It only happens within the quick fix window. It's not going to actually happen to the file in the disk unless I put pipe and update command along with this. Okay, so this is a very handy way of operating on multiple buffers in a project. If you use Vim, this quick fix window become very handy. It's a globally present one single entity. So how many files or buffer you open doesn't matter. Whatever you search across it, it all accumulated and come down to a one single window. That is a quick fix window. It's a global entity. I'm repeating again so it gets etched into your head. Okay. So let's get rid of it. Okay, and you could change with the as I shown to you, CDL, then the command. I shown you the substitute command. It could be any other command to change particular thing in a quick fix window. Okay, to write that changes into the underlying disk, you have to use pipe and then the update command along with your other command. Okay, so this is very handy. This is very handy way of managing stuff. Okay, now if I close this, now there is a other variant which is called location list. Okay, so if I want to see the buffer specific or file specific quick fix window, we should use location list instead of quick fix. As I said, quick fix list is a global one, but local fix location window is buffer specific. So you are seeing two different buffer, right? So if I search, there is a difference. So if I do all the location list command starts with L. Okay, likewise L vim grep. Okay, so if I do bar, okay, so because I'm looking out for the right hand side buffer, so it should pop on the right hand side buffer underneath, right? So Okay, now see uh, the this is the window which pops up. This is a location list window. Okay, so this is specific to the file on top of it. Okay, this is the location specific. Now if I move to other, now I have come to the left hand side buffer, right? And I'm going to do the same. If I, as I said, the location list command start with, so if I do vim grep and say unlikely for no arbitrary reason. Now the entire buffer, if I select this, see, or I could do better. Okay, so you see so if I do vim grep, now if I do get robust list, okay, and see, you see there is a list specific to this buffer which has got no similarity with the right hand side buffer. You see two quick fix window appear. Both of them are related to the file they are corresponding to. It has got nothing to do with the other file. So location list is a local or private quick fix window to the specific buffer where you search. Okay, and you see on the my airline status, I'm just showing you the indicator. It says location, so it's private to this or local to this particular buffer. It has got nothing with the right hand side. Likewise, on the right hand side bottom buffer, which is specific to the file on top of it. These are local stuff. Okay, it's very handy if you want to segregate your searching or changes to a specific buffer related to file. You could invoke the local list stuff window with the same way you invoke the quick fix window. The only difference is the command has to be start with L prefix. That means vim grep become L vim grep. Okay, CDO become LCDO. So the command in locally should start with L, then the normal command which you globally use. Okay, so these are very handy stuff. If you deal with several files in Vim, these are the inbuilt facilities, so you don't need other stuff. These are come bundled with Vim, so you could take advantage of these facilities with these. Although there are plugins if you are inclined to have to do the similar kind of stuff, but I always suggest people, if you could do something natively, try to stick with it, because every damn plugin you add to your editor, it takes time to process, load, and eventually it will have an impact on your editor. And the plugins are the things, basically native things in a sugar candy. The plugin authors make your life easy by wrapping up in a some easy manner the native function. So if you get hold of the native way of doing something inside your favorite editor, stick with it. The more external stuff you add to your native editor, eventually it will catch up and clog up. So you have to, sometime later, you might have to restore back the originality. So I have shown you a little glimpse of what it is called Quickfix, which is a global entity. That means how many files you open doesn't matter. It has got one single window for all the file. And local list is buffer specific, file specific. As you can see on the screen right now, two different local list buffer which is related to the individual file. The Quickfix will be having a single one for all the accumulated result for all the files. And to operate on the Quickfix window result, you have something called CDO, CFDO, and all this stuff to pass an argument or change argument, something like this. Okay, so these are the very handy facility. Before I let you go, let me close this and this and this. And this, and I have a I'll show you something called Quickfix. So you see, these are the commands you can use with the Quickfix window. So these all do different tasks, but if you want to do something or change something on the Quickfix, as I shown to you, by changing something in the Quickfix window, but I have also mentioned the changes will be reflected on the Quickfix window unless you pipe with the update command to that changes. It will not going to write into the underlying file on a disk. Okay, so this command will help you to hover through the Quickfix window. Okay, now if you have a so the local list has got all the commands started with L. Okay, so the location list has got all the command whatever you use in Quickfix, which should be preceded with the letter L. Okay, as I shown to you, if the vimgrep become L vimgrep. I'm repeating the same thing just to make sure that you get the distinction. It's very subtle, just one single letter L, which will signify or pin down thing as local stuff to that particular buffer where you run that particular query, which will pop up a Quickfix window filled with the local stuff related to the file where you are searching, right? And lastly, these are the command you could run in that CFDO, CDO. These are command you could run in Quickfix window to change thing or do something like that. So I ask, so you should invest some time to find out, but these are very handy facility inside Vim. So you should spend some time to figure it out. Okay, hopefully finally if I go out, so you can always access the Vim help, which is this is a quick fix stuff. Inside Vim you can go to the EXPROM and try Quickfix to get this help. Okay, likewise here is, look at my cursor, it is hovering on location list, right? Quickfix and location list are very closely integrated, although similar, and as I mentioned again and again, all the commands start with L to differentiate from Quickfix related stuff, then location list related stuff, right? These are very handy stuff. Spend some time, and it's not too long, so it will help you to understand the facility. This is extremely useful, that's why I'm showing it to you. Okay, I hope it will be useful for some people, those who were not aware of it. Thanks for watching.